Peace be with you. Dear friends, welcome to Living Flame Podcast website and Facebook group. Gospel Reflections for Friday in the 15th week in the Ordinary Time. Gospel according to Matthew chapter 12 verses 1 to 8. This is a beautiful passage we have when Jesus is so natural and so human and compassionate. It was on the Sabbath day. Jesus went through the green fields. His disciples were hungry, and they began to pluck heads of grain and to eat. When the Pharisees saw it, they said to him, "Look, your disciples are doing what is not lawful to do on the Sabbath." Jesus does not argue or does not reply by arguing that the Pharisees have gone beyond the written law with their prescriptions. But he does cite scripture to justify his actions. He refers first to the episode in which David broke the written law but was held blameless, and second refers to the law itself to exempt certain people from the various Sabbath laws. The first passage refers to 1 Samuel chapter 21 verses 1 to 6, describes David and his companions when they became hungry after fleeing from Saul. Ahimelech, the priest at Nob, let them eat the sacred showbread despite the restrictions placed by the book of Leviticus chapter 24 that only priests could eat this bread. Jesus' second example appeals to from Numbers chapter 28, which required priests to work on the Sabbath by offering various sacrifices. But Jesus was not of Levitical priestly lineage, nor is there any evidence that his life was in danger or his needs nearly as urgent as David's. Jesus' point is that one greater than the temple is here. By implication, the point of verse 4 is therefore also that one greater than David is here. It is not therefore the particular situation in which Jesus finds himself that justifies his disciples' behavior, but his very nature and authority which can transcend the law and make permissible for his disciples what once was forbidden. Jesus' sovereign authority will determine how the Sabbath is now fulfilled in the kingdom age. Matthew would then be trying to depict Jesus making a valid exception to the law, still within the framework of the law. His approach is not arbitrary, but based on God's priorities of putting compassion above ritual, which Sabbath keeping can so often hinder. Well, dear friends, what we learn from this gospel is that we need compassion, love, acceptance, and be fully human before learning to be divine. Well, both must be combined and blended without excluding the other. God bless you.